Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I started filming an unboxing for my Fragrant Jewels fall haul and I realized something was wrong, so then I had to go back upstairs and check my order. I actually got a free candle that I didn't pay for. So I ordered the entire collection, I believe. I got, all the candles and the bath bombs and the pumpkin one, and they gave me an extra falling leaves candle, which is super cool. Sometimes when you put in an order, they'll throw like a handful of gold codes in so you get some extra bonus points. I've had that happen before. So I was kind of hoping with this big order there would be something like that in there, but instead I got a free candle, which is even better. So here's what the falling leaves look like. They changed all their packaging, so they come in these nice boxes, which are cute, and it does add that layer of protection for them. So I do kind of like that. Let's see, and here's the bath bomb. I already sliced that one open. Now this, they don't put any extra packaging in there, but looks like it arrived in pretty good shape. That's fun and colorful. This box smells so good. I smell a lot of like apple and cinnamon and just things that make you think of fall. Also have the pumpkin bath bomb. Very excited for that. That's different than one we've had in the past. And of course, super excited and probably most excited for this. We have not had a shaped candle before, a candle jar. So here's the little pumpkin and the lid is wrapped separately, and that came in a huge box. Oh, that's really cute. That's really well done. That's what it looks like on the inside. Beautiful. Obviously going to keep that as part of my decor when I'm done using it for fall. I love that. So cool. I really hope they do more jars like that that kind of have a theme, because I just think that would be awesome. It's one thing that they don't do that some of the other companies do. So this one is spiced apple. That one's just a solid red. Smells really good. Ooh, I love that. Then I have the matching candle for that one. I ordered all these, and I have to get these posted before the Christmas stuff comes out. And I still have like two Halloween things to post. And then my Hello Kitty bath bombs. This one's a little messy. Has the wax up top. I'm liking these little jars and all sorts of fun stuff. Here's my extra falling leaves candle. And then we have warm and cozy. They had warm and cozy in the past, and I did the bath bomb of it. I got it again this year just because I never did the candle. I'm trying to remember if they even had a candle in the past. I think they did, but it wasn't in this type of jar. So I was like, I'll just get that, see if they changed anything about it, do a review on it. Boxes are really cool. And here's the warm and cozy one. So here's everything that I got. If there's a particular candle or bath bomb you want to see first, you can leave me a comment, and I will try to do that before doing the others. And also I wanted to show you my nails. These are the Abracadaver. And that's what I picked to wear with my Halloween costume since I'm going to be a pirate. These glow in the dark, and they glow super well. I tried to film it earlier, but on camera, like, it always darkens how it actually looks in real life, so it was hard to tell. But in person, these are pretty phenomenal. So if you guys want to order anything, I'll put Fragrant Jewels below. I have some of their promo codes that I can link. If you want any Color Street, I will put that below. They don't really do promo codes, but they always have a sale where if you buy 3, you get 1 free. So I'll put all that information for both companies. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.